Stop trying to eat less. That's not your problem. Your meals just aren't working. And until you fix that, nothing else sticks. This is part of a step-by-step series where I'm breaking down how to actually fix your day so fat loss becomes easier without relying on willpower. This is step 1. And if you want something to follow alongside this, I've put together a simple Fix Your Day guide. The link's in the description. Most women I work with aren't overeating all day. If anything, it's the opposite. They undereat early, try to hold it together, and then it falls apart later. Snacking, picking, evening blowouts, not because of willpower, because their meals didn't do their job. You're trying to be good on meals that don't actually fill you up. So of course it breaks. You don't need more discipline. You need meals that actually work. Meals that keep you full, keep your energy steady, and stop you thinking about food all day. Because once your meals are sorted, everything else gets easier. So here's what needs to change. Every main meal needs to do 3 things. First, it needs to actually fill you up. Not something light, not something you just grabbed, a proper meal. If you finish eating and you're still thinking about food, it wasn't enough. Second, it needs a solid protein source. This is where most people go wrong. Toast isn't a meal. Cereal isn't a meal. A plain salad isn't a meal. You need something with substance. Chicken, eggs, Greek yogurt, fish. Keep it simple. Third, it needs to look like a real plate, not random bits. A proper plate. Protein, something filling, carbs or fats, something fresh, fruit or veg. That's it. You don't need to overcomplicate it. This is not about calories yet. Ignore that for now, because if your meals aren't working, tracking them won't fix anything. You'll just be hungry more precisely. If you're constantly thinking about food, if evenings are where things fall apart, if you feel like you start again every Monday, this is where it's coming from. Not discipline, structure. And if you want to actually follow this properly, the guide's in the description. Now, once your meals actually work, we fix the next problem. Why you still feel hungry, even when you've eaten. That's what confuses most people. Go to step 2 next. That's where this actually starts to click.